Most landscaping companies don't lose money because they lack clients. They lose money because scheduling, quoting, and crew coordination break down when work gets busy. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, landscaping software is not optional anymore. It is the system that keeps your crews moving, your jobs profitable, and your customers happy. In this video, you'll learn the best software for landscaping companies in 2026, what each platform actually does, and which one fits your business size and workflow. Let's start with one of the most popular field service tools, Jobber. Jobber is built for small to mid-sized landscaping businesses that need simple scheduling, quoting, and invoicing. A landscaper like Alex can send estimates, schedule recurring maintenance, and invoice clients right after completing a job, all from a mobile phone. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber is very easy to use, which means your team can adopt it quickly without training headaches. But it may feel limited if you run large commercial landscaping contracts with complex job tracking needs. Next is Housecall Pro EE. Housecall Pro focuses heavily on automation and customer communication. A landscaping business owner like Jake can automate appointment reminders, collect payments on site, and keep customers updated without manually calling or texting. But here's the problem. As your company grows, you may notice limited flexibility for advanced workflows or detailed project management. Third is ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan is built for large landscaping and home service companies. It handles scheduling, dispatching, CRM, marketing, reporting, and sales tracking in one powerful system. This is where ServiceTitan becomes dominant. It is designed for scaling multi-crew operations and high-volume service businesses. But it is also expensive and can be too complex for smaller landscaping companies. Now let's talk about LMN. LMN is specifically built for landscaping companies. It focuses on job costing, estimating, production tracking, and crew management. A contractor like John can calculate job profitability and manage large landscaping projects more accurately. It is very strong for operational control, but it may feel more complex during setup compared to simpler tools. Finally, we have Aspire. Aspire is an all-in-one solution designed for commercial landscaping companies. It includes CRM, estimating, scheduling, production, and financial tracking in one system. Now here is the key insight most landscaping owners miss. The best software is not the one with the most features. It is the one your crews and office staff actually use every single day without confusion. So let's simplify it. If you want something simple and fast, Jobber is a strong choice. If you want automation and customer communication, Housecall Pro works well. If you are scaling a large landscaping company, ServiceTitan is powerful. If you want landscaping-specific job costing, LM is a great option. And if you want an all-in-one commercial solution, Aspire is built for that level. The biggest mistake landscaping contractors make is choosing software based on ads instead of real field operations. That leads to wasted money and messy workflows. So the takeaway is simple. The best landscaping software is the one that matches how your crews work in the field, not just what looks impressive on paper. If this helped you understand your options clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more honest software breakdowns and comparisons like this.